Good morning. Today I've gone for a walk. I'm getting the train and the bus and metro, not in that order obviously. And I've come to Haltwhistle, where I'm gonna go from Haltwhistle to Cawfields quarry and then onto the Sycamore gap with Hadrian's Wall. It's around 12 miles in total. I totally underestimated the walk out of Haltwhistle. Absolute nightmare. So the Cawfield quarry is over there, straight ahead. That's where I'm heading. So away, let's do this. Just walk past the pub there, Mile Castle. So tempted, but I'm still ill from the other day. Jesus. I don't know if anyone saw the video I put on the other night. A drunken bee review, and also the team of the year players review as well for Newcastle United. Just say I was drunk is an understatement, and I think I'm still recovering now. Nightmare. It's gonna be the walk. I totally underestimated that walk out of Haltwhistle. So hilly. Feels like I've climbed the mountain already, and it's gonna be another hilly climb now. And I walk across the Hadrian's Wall to the Sycamore gap, up and down, and I come to the highest point of the wall as well, the trig point. So I think that's it there. Straight ahead. I think that's the highest point there. So I know it's 3 miles to the Sycamore gap from here, so another hour or so. Take me an hour to get here. About 12 miles in total, so I should imagine anyway. Christ, I've got a massive headache. When I get there at the quarry, which is just straight ahead, you can see there. See that there? Little hill there. Climb up onto. Showing the Mile Castles there. But yeah, little pit stop here, and then carry on. Take some tablets. Tell you what, this tracksuit top's gonna come off soon. Like, it's boiling. There's hardly a breath of wind at all. There's no wind at all. It's a perfect day. Hopefully I'll be able to get the drone out at some point where the tree is. So carry on. Here I am, Cawfields quarry. Isn't this just lush? There's even a little bench down there. Lush here, isn't it? Right, next I'll go up there and then along to the Sycamore gap via the highest point of the Hadrian's Wall. 1,300 feet high. I've been here before. Lush. Right, 5-minute rest. I've got massive headache. I need to take some tablets. Then I move on. See you soon. Just sitting here chilling. Mad bar. Some water, tablets. Charging my phone up a little bit. One carrying. Some 15 kilos in there. Still got my tracksuit top on. Madness. Just sweating buckets. Don't want to take it off yet. I'll be on the move in a minute. Just catching their breath. Done 4 miles so far. So it might be a pint before I get back to the bus there at the train station. We'll see. I've got work tonight, like, so I can't be too tired. Move off in a minute. Few cars there. I'm expecting the sycamore got to be pretty busy, bouncing like. We shall see. First mile castle reached. There's a few people here. Onwards. Tell you what, the midges are out in force, like. Christ, there's freaking hundreds of them. Millions of them. Oh god. I'm still not putting, oh, I don't know, can't get my words out. I'm still not taking my jacket off. It's been hit in the face by a midgie. That view, man. Class. This wall looks perfect, doesn't it? I think it's a couple $1,000. It's a lower level path going along there, like, but let's take the high level. Why not? Oh my god, some steps coming up. I'm sure that's the highest point up there. I hope it is anyway. If that's the case, I should be halfway from Cawfields quarry to the car park near what's it called? Steel rig near the car park there, so we should be halfway between Cawfields quarry and there. Anyway, go back up. Lovely jubbly. Me at the top of the steps anyway. Oh god. Took my breath away a little bit. Oh. Up there now. And hopefully it's a nice flat walk now to get my breath back. I'm sure it is. Oh, actually I can see a bit higher up further on. There. Happy days. What rhymes with clucking bell? This. Oh my god. Still 2 more humps to go. I hope that's the last one. There's freaking midges everywhere. Getting attacked by the midges. Oh. The views, man, they're just breathtaking all around. Look at that, man. Perfect. Midges paradise. Oh my god, I'm just walking straight through them. Dirty little bastards. Oh god. So I'll go. Oh my god. It's like climbing a decent sized mountain, this. Be interesting to see what my elevation is. Never mind. Stop mourning and get on with it. Oh god. Places like this can make you go crazy. Right. Carry on. See you in a bit. It's good the national park's looking after the wall, like, and the paths. God, I'm knackered. That bit there I've just done there was steep. I've got 2 more to go, I think. But yeah, National Park or whoever's really looking after this place. The wall, it looks amazing. The weather is amazing as well. Oh, I've still got water, much needed to be honest. Oh my god. I've done just over 5 miles. Get attacked by midges every second. Oh, it's a complete ruin. Don't care, it's all good. Oh god. Go back down to go back up. Oh my god. Done some elevation today, like. Definitely have. Hopefully this is the last up bit before the trig. At the highest point, then getting cramps in my thighs, my left thigh, oh especially. Oh, I should have settled down once I get there, the top of here. Oh god. If I am right, this is the last up bit. We've got a canny bit flat to go, and then I go towards the steel rig up there and along down Mile Castle, back up again, and then towards the tree. It's all good. Once I get the tree, hopefully I can take the drone up. But I've got a feeling there's going to be loads of people there. There's kind of few people on this path now. A couple of people up there, a few people's past us going that way, so hopefully it's not too busy. And the spot I want to take is on the hill facing the tree. So fingers crossed. My god. Oh, chin. Whew. Right, onwards and upwards. Right, another up bit coming up, down and up. Happy days. I thought the bit I was on was going to be the last up bit before steel rig, but badly mistaken. Christ's sake, it's just never ending. It's alright though. Once I go flat, I'm fine. I'm struggling just a little more when it goes uphill. His thigh's burning. But I'm not going to moan about that. Get on with it. I obviously have got an injury when I do these. No moaning this time. Once I finish the tree, I'm just going to go back the roadway. I'll probably end the video early, if that's the case. And carry on. See, this bit's not too bad to be honest, like. Once you go through that gate, it's not too bad. Let's go from up there. Steep coming down here, but it's not too bad going up there. Oh, my thigh's burning. I know I said I wouldn't moan, but oh, just chased some painkillers before as well. Oh, right. It's getting to the point where I'm gonna have to stop and rest it because I'm struggling to walk a little bit. Oh my god. Your legs are going to go into spasms. Let's see. Oh, I can see the trig. Yeah. Highest point of the Hadrian's Wall. So I've heard. Making me left thigh keeps going into cramp. It's kind of horrible when it's at its worst. But I'm sure it'll settle down because, like I say, at the highest point, now I've got a kind of decent flat walk now. Well, you want to get to the top here. So I can see the twice brewed in, or once brewed in, and they're still further along. So I'm not too far from the steel rig. Happy days. I don't know whether to go around it or go back up. Just depends on my thigh. It's always something, isn't it? Always something. Anyway, the worst is gone now, so it's alright. Carry on. Here it is. The trig point. I should be able to see the steel rig from here. Yay. There it is. That's the top of it. There you go. That's it. I'm just going to carry on. I'm just going to carry on. The view's all around. Perfect. Freaking hiking groups. Not worse. Got a bad feeling it's going to be very, very busy. I'll see loads of people on steel rig all the way along. It's going to be very, very busy. The car park's full. Just seen that. Oh dear. All the trainers are bet. Flip flops. Oh dear. I better get my spot I want. Because of my poorly knee, thigh, I've decided I'm not going to go up that way, the steel rig. I'm going to go around it. The cows are. Because I put too much pressure on my thigh, and then you end up tearing something. So, still going to go up the tree, but you see, just going to go around it to the right of it. There's loads of people here, like loads. Sometimes when you want to come here and you want no one around. There's some rock climbers there. That'd be kind of cool to do. But the amount of people who just come here and they went flip flops and not, or trainers, silly. I know it's dry, like, but you still slip. Never mind. It's up to them, I suppose. Onwards. McDonald's. Got the place to myself again. It's absolutely heaving on steel rig. And if I wanted to go up there, I'd be queuing to get up the steps. And it's just ridiculous. A few people up there. It's just ridiculous. I've heard that I was thinking we'll go to the Lake District, but I heard it's ridiculous there while camping and that. God knows what every town's like. I just hope that they're not prepared for the midges. Get attacked by the midges. I'm due to go back there on the 24th with my Jake. I don't know what we're doing yet. Train over. Get up a mountain somewhere. Barrow maybe. We'll see. Can't we? You could have gone this one, to be honest, like. But I've done 7 miles so far. I know 7 miles, but from the Sycamore Gap back down to where I've been. Haltwhistle, that's the fella. It's 4 miles if you go directly down the road, so I'll do that way. We'll see. Longbourn Road. A few people up there, eh? No one this way, there's a couple of people coming towards us now. I just hope the hill I want to be on, where I'm going to sit for a bit I hope it's empty. And set the drone away if possible. We shall see. Still got my tracksuit top on. Oh god. But one sprig of water so far. So I've still got plenty. I just hope it's not warm. God. Just getting the first glimpse of the tree. Still a few people about, like. God knows what's like under the tree. Oh dear. There's someone on the spot I want to be at as well. Oh, it's nice and green, the tree, like. Find a spot to sit. Oh. 7.5 miles. Ooh. Wet patch. Yuck. Oh god. Here it is. Here's the tree. I bet there's loads of people. Oh, I've got a little spot I can sit at. That's alright. Set the drone over them, no bother. Look at the state of all this. Still set the drone away. I had my first ever moan about me drone before. When I was just about finished, and the person who like looked over just says, "You're not allowed to fly your drone here." Well, it is in a high risk area, but it wasn't the red zone, so you're allowed. Obviously, there's like training camps around here, but it didn't have a red zone on it. Didn't have anything on it, so. I was good to go. Just see it was under 250 grams, so I'm allowed. And yeah, I was just finished anyway. Did about 2 minutes worth. Did a few photos and stuff. See how they come out. Might be brilliant, like, but we'll see. Didn't want to do too much with loads of people here, like. If I had the place to myself, I would have done a lot more. Never mind. I don't know whether to have some food or what. Loads of people here. Why not there? I think it's gonna get on actually. Got them as well. Got some hot dogs as well, but I think I'll leave them. Yeah, there's just way too many people. I'm not even gonna bother going up the tree, to be honest. There's too many people here. From here, I'll be going. Put that on. Not be long now. Never mind. been good though. You can see it's gonna be a 12 miles there. Right, heading away from the crowds now. There's just too many there. Obviously there's nothing wrong with doing that, like, just I'd rather be away from people. Yeah, it's starting to kill, damn it. Anyway, 4 mile walk back to the place I come from, Haltwhistle. I keep forgetting where I've been. This tree here, man, I think it's mint. It's on its own, no one around them. Looks mint. Anyway, got the train, right, got an open return, but there's a train at 20 past 3. It's just before 1 o'clock now, so hopefully I can catch it. Otherwise I'm waiting for the 20 past 4 train. That's kind of that. So hopefully I can get back in time. Still got my tracksuit top on. Like I say, next up for me is the Lake District. Right, next like walk, hike. I mean, now the season's finished. Newcastle United, it's all finished now. It's to fill in the time before the season starts again. Can renew my season ticket. Oops. I'll just snap my extension off my tripod. Oops. Too close to the screen. Yeah. What a season it's been for Newcastle, hasn't it? I know there's a lot of Newcastle supporters who follow me on here, like subscribe to my channel. Appreciate that. But I do a lot of Newcastle stuff. Do a lot of cycling, do a lot of gigs. I have actually got a separate channel, but I think I'll just stick to the one, to be honest, like, instead of just having one subject, because I would have to have about 3 or 4 different channels for everything I do. What's the point of that? So just having the one. Newcastle United, cycling, walking, hiking, camping. That's one. And gigs. I always just say gigs. I'm waffling. But yeah, do a lot of this before the next season starts. Do a couple of Lake District ones. I'll have my car soon. I'm actually looking for one now, so there's a few I've seen, like, but they're just too far away. And that. Places like Bury, Manchester, and that. Do really fancy doing that. Even though it'd be a nice drive back home, but I'd rather get one local. So, I want a 7-seater if I can. Turn a little mini camper van when I'm away. Come to the end of this path now. We join the road, going back towards the sill, and then the road to nowhere. I'll speak here a bit further down the line. I'm on the road to nowhere. It's like a 3-mile walk down this road to the turn off towards Haltwhistle. And it's an absolutely beauty. The descent down there is ridiculous, coming up like 4 miles to go total. Should be right. It's been good so far. It's gonna be about 13 miles in total, I'm guessing. Not too bad. My legs are fine, not aching. I hurt my thighs, suffered from cramp before, like, but they're alright. But yeah, I'm not feeling too tired at the moment. I'm still hot, like, I'm still got this tracksuit top on. trying to lose weight, so I'm trying to sweat more. Might help a little bit. Yeah. This road's just never ending. That's where I went along there. That's deep, this don't look so bad from a distance. This road just goes on and on and on and on. And on and on and on and on. I've done just under 10 miles so far. Feet are fine. These trainers are class. Hiking trainers. I've plugged them a few times. I should really tag them. They might actually send us some new ones. That's if I do that. But yeah, it doesn't look so bad. The trade point's just up there. Middle bit there. Yeah, it's a good walk, this one. Like I say, the walk back to Haltwhistle is a bit boring. Like, to be fair, it's just one road, and then you join another road, and it's all downhill from there. I totally underestimated the walk out of Haltwhistle. Like, there's me thinking it was flat. The cawfields quarry. Badly mistaken. It's about 1,000 feet up. Anyway, continue on this road. I think I've got another mile to go before I go to get towards the Castle pub. I might get there about half an hour before the train comes, or I might be a pint before I board the train. We'll see. See, it's further along. Just seen a car go past there. He's got a nice flat tyre. Like, I don't know if he stopped or not. He turned left here. Oh dear. Not good. Oh, that's too many of them, like soft tops. Heard the pop in the tyre go. There you go. Oops. Right, I think I'm coming to the end of this road. And turn left towards Haltwhistle. Huh? Sheep was singing. There he is. Huh. Two of them at the bottom. Right, I've turned off for a while now, off that road. I'm heading back down towards Haltwhistle. My feet are a little tired. I've done 11 miles now. It's been good. Yeah, it's been good. I say tired now. Just need to get down to the train station, which is just over a mile away. So I think I'll end the video here. Next to Herdon Hill Farm. Is it Herdon Hill Farm? Something like that. It's probably not, like. End the video now. If you've liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff. I've just hit my 800th subscriber, so thank you for that. And hopefully this channel will grow a little bit. I enjoyed doing this, and then sharing them. I just put them on here for memories, really. So stop waffling now. So thank you for watching, if anyone watches, and I'll see you on the next one.
the northern service to Morpeth. The next stop is Arden Mill.